Cool. All right. Hello, everyone. So we're just going to do a quick update on the application we were building the other day. So first, let me share my screen. We're going to just show you what voice agents were like before we made this app, and for people that are having trouble writing prompts for sales agents or anything like that. Justin's got a lot of experience and he's built something based on his multiple decades of experience that would convert it. So this is what it was like before. I'm going to call this assistant.
Hi, is this Justin Hughes from Firebringer AI?
Yes.
Great, thanks for confirming that, Justin. I'm George from Voice AI Solutions. I'm calling because we've developed an AI voice assistant that can handle all your missed calls, 24/7, booking appointments and answering customer questions automatically. It's specifically designed for HVAC companies like yours. Would you be interested in seeing a demo of how this could help your business?
Okay.
Fantastic. The best way to see how this could help your business is through a quick demo with our founder. Would you prefer a morning or afternoon slot?
Why would I do this?
That's a great question, Justin. Our AI voice assistant acts like a skilled receptionist. Available around the clock, it ensures you never miss a call, even after hours or when your team is busy. This means more appointments booked, better customer service, and ultimately more business for you. Seeing it in action through a demo can give you a clear picture of how it can benefit your operations.
Okay.
Would you be open to scheduling a time to see it for yourself?
So, I mean, in terms of meeting the functional spec that I was given, this was fine. I wasn't really interested in that. But then you came along
I got to
with
tell
like
you,
your
as
tool.
a cold call trainer for years, I want to do a coaching on that bot right now. Like you all
Yeah.
pitch and no itch. You gave them no reason to meet with you.
Yeah. Wow. Okay. So let's just say it's Firebringer AI and industry voice. Cool. Voice AI, HVAC, just so it matches. HVAC. And we're doing voice AI. So appointment setting, actually handling out of hours calls, so book a demo, don't know money, time, or knowledge. I mean, the more detail you give this, the better the results you'll get, but whatever.
Well, and if anybody who's been doing sales like comes across this and wants to use something like this, they know what their top 12 objections are. Like they're going to get the same 9, 12 objections every time. So there's probably even a workflow for them to handle that already. You could plug that information into here pretty easily and make it even more effective.
Awesome. Yeah, you can provide that as additional context. Incidentally, here, this is where you can say stuff like limit the output to 2 sentences if you wanted to do something. You can make those kind of dramatic changes here. We'll just demonstrate in a minute. But for now, let's give Reginald a call or let him call us. You can do that now with this app. We've added some features.
Hi, this is Reginald from Firebringer AI. Is this the owner?
Yes.
Great, thanks for confirming that. Is this a good time to talk briefly about improving your out-of-hours call handling?
Okay.
Thank you. I'm calling because we've developed a voice AI solution specifically for HVAC companies that can handle all your out-of-hours calls. It works like a 24/7 receptionist, booking appointments and answering customer questions automatically, ensuring you never miss a business opportunity. Before I dive into the details, could I ask, how do you currently manage out-of-hours calls?
We don't actually.
I see, that's quite a situation to manage. Without a system in place after hours, what impact does that have on your business outcomes, particularly in terms of missed service requests or potential sales?
Well, those are good questions. We haven't quantified that.
Understandably, it can be challenging to track what's not directly measured. However, missing those potential calls could mean missed opportunities for expanding your client base or strengthening customer satisfaction. What would it mean for your business if you could ensure that every call, even after hours, was attended to and potentially converted into a lead or service request?
Yeah, I'd have to say that would be valuable.
I'm glad to hear that. It sounds like this could be a real game changer for your business. The best way to see how our solution works is through a quick demo. Would you prefer a morning or afternoon slot?
Let's do the afternoon.
Let me check our availability. It seems Monday at 2 p.m. or Wednesday at 3 p.m. are open slots. Which one works better for you?
Let's do Wednesday.
Excellent choice. I'll schedule our demo for Wednesday at 3 p.m. To confirm, we'll be showcasing how our voice AI solution can maximize your after-hours call handling efficiency, capture more leads, and enhance customer service without your team
Cool.
having to manage.
So, I mean, that's pretty cool.
I gotta say that, like, the fact that it hit on, it asked you questions so that you would say that you had the problem rather than it telling you you had the problem. And like it's really, it doesn't give you a really good opportunity to say no past the first couple of sentences.
Yeah. So thought we might have a little play around with the additional context thing here. So I've been messing around with this. So
You're calling New Yorkers, you got to get it out in 2 sentences.
for this demo, I would like you to adopt the persona of a roast master comedian who had a terrible experience trying to reserve a table at a restaurant and is now calling back to pitch them AI reservation handlers. You must be absolutely hilarious.
Maybe.
Let's just see what happens here.
AI is kind of hit or miss on the jokes. I've played around with it. And I love how developers love to make the AI make jokes, because CTO guy always, Matt's always, tell me a joke about cats.
Yeah. Let's see what happens.
It's taking a minute.
Well, it's because it's generating all the output. I could add streaming to this so you can just see the prompt appearing as it comes along, and then that'll be better. We should
That
probably
was
do
one
that.
of the elements of reducing our latency early on in our phone tool, was streaming inbound and outbound.
Let's try this.
Hi, this is Reginald from Firebringer AI. Is this the owner?
Yes.
Fantastic. Is this a good time to talk briefly about making your reservation process smoother than a comedian's punchline?
Sure.
Ah, got it. Store in full swing, I assume. Let's keep it quick then. How do you currently handle reservations? Through a crystal ball or just wishful thinking?
Well, we have people to handle that when people call.
The old human touch. Sounds nostalgic, like dial-up internet, but with more hold music. What challenges do you bump into when people...
This is not very good. Roastmaster comedian who is also a pirate.
That's wild.
Let's see what happens.
Like, we can get it. Like, there's so many things you could do with it. Imagine a radio station using this for their morning shows prank calls.
Yeah.
Well, with the
So
voice
anyway, just
cloning, if you'd get in trouble for using anybody famous, but you could.
Yeah. Well, you don't want to do that though. So I mean, in terms of the features for the app, you can restore your previous prompts if you want to work with them. Delete them there.
Kind of go through iterations and see what works best.
Yeah. There we go.
Or if maybe you're a, freelance cold caller, you could set up a prompt for each of your clients and then run the dials out.
This is Reginald from Firebringer AI. Is this the owner?
Yes.
Ahoy there. This be Reginald from Firebringer AI, your trusty navigator through the reservation seas. Is this a good time to discuss how we can turn the tides on your reservation challenges, or have you already been plundered by another call?
No, this is a good time. What's up?
Splendid. I'm here with tales of a solution smoother than a pirate ship on calm seas, our voice AI that takes the helm of your reservations. May I ask how ye currently manage reservations aboard your fine ship?
People call and we handle it.
Ah, the old-fashioned way, like charting a course by the stars. And what challenges have ye encountered when managing reservations that way? Any stormy seas or close shaves with no-shows?
Yeah, it gets busy sometimes and we can't handle it.
Aye, it sounds like a right tempest when things get hectic. Tell me, how often have you found yourself in shipwrecks with double bookings or missed reservations?
Okay. So you get the idea. I mean,
Is it
pretty
just me,
cool.
or does that remind you of like the theme restaurants that you take a kid to?
Yeah,
Except this guy was
exactly.
calling the restaurants instead of working at one.
Yeah. So anyway, this is available at this URL, which we will put in the description. This is also open source, so the source code will also be in the description. And we might be making some changes to this in the future, but have at it.
Yep. We can play
Okay.
around with lots of stuff. Thanks. Thanks for showing that off, John George.
You're welcome. Cheerio, everyone.